In today's video, we're in Moreton-in-Marsh and then Chipping Norton. This was our last day in the Cotswolds, and as my partner Joe had a very old and dear friend to meet in Daylesford, we had a couple of hours to kill in the morning. We left Stow-in-the-Wold and drove about 5 miles or 10 minutes down the road to Moreton-in-Marsh. Moreton-in-Marsh has a population of about 5,000, so it's quite a large town by the Cotswold standards. And we got out, had a bit of a walk around and had an English tea and scones. Moreton-in-Marsh is principally a market town that was founded in the 13th century. It's got a very nice high street, plenty of pubs, cafes and antique shops. There's a great many old country houses in the area, and even Jeremy Clarkson's diddly squat farm was only a couple of miles away, but unfortunately we just didn't have the time to do more than just have a wander around and a morning tea. As you can see from this drone footage, the Cotswold's such a lovely area to be visiting and driving through. A lot of greenery, a lot of rolling hills. Fantastic part of the world. As you can see, it was a very mild low to mid-20s for our time in Moreton-in-Marsh. We left Moreton-in-Marsh and drove around 14 miles or 15 minutes to our next destination, which was Chipping Norton. Chipping Norton has a population of about 6,200. It was also a market town founded at about the same time that Moreton-in-Marsh was founded. And there was settlement that was predating the Roman times. So we're talking about settlements in before Christ, over 2,000 years ago. Lots of history in this area. We drove around town and actually got out of the car and had about an hour walk through the very quaint, charming town. Quite a few things to see and do. Things of note was the old town hall built in 1842, St Mary's Church, which dates back to 1485. Quite a few great country houses in the area, a very nice high street, and plenty of pubs and cafes and antique shops to do your antique shopping in. This is the town hall, very nice looking with its Romanesque columns out the front. Our next stop was a 10-minute drive, or 5 miles, down to the Daylesford Organic Farm. We decided to have some English tea, scones, and there were quite a few gluten-free options, as you'd expect. After we left, and I didn't take many videos, but I did take a few photos, we left the Stansted Airport, which is about 120 miles or 2 hours 15 minutes away. I do hope you've liked this video. If so, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And until next time, bye.